Alright guys, I was at the Outlet Mall recently and I picked up these Jordan 12s. I believe they're called the Outlet Mall, I believe they're called the Playoff Low 12s. And like usual, I'm going to throw them on. I got a great deal on these. I might share the price with you at the end of the video. Hell, I'll just do it now. I picked these up for around 130 Canadian dollars, which is just over 100 US dollars. It's a pretty cool sneaker, and I'm gonna throw them on right now. Alright guys, now that they're on foot, I have to say they're pretty swagged out. I don't wear 12s very often. I've never worn a pair of 12 lows until today. And I must admit, I do fancy them quite a bit. They're pretty great looking sneakers, and I got a great deal on them. It says TW03, like conventional Jordan 12s. Conventional little pattern here. The leather is slightly different here and there. And then this rubberized pattern is different from this as well. They're pretty fly. They're Jordan 12 Playoff Lows. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.